All right, what's up, good people? I want to do a training video for everyone that's in MyEcon. I was going to post this in my training group. I am going to post it in my training group, but I wanted to share this with other people as well, so you guys can be well aware of all the great benefits and opportunity that you can take advantage of with this cheap membership, guys. MyEcon membership is only $35 a month. $35 a month, guys. You can get paid dozens of ways, okay? But in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn income from just focusing on the retail. A lot of people are just focused on, building teams, getting people to sign up, just recruit, stuff like that. That's cool. You can make money that way. That's cool. But you can also earn income from just selling the products that we have. So if you go to your back office, your MyEcon back office, you want to click on store. You want to click on MyEcon products. And then you want to click on smart credit system. Okay, MyEcon has a do-it-yourself credit repair system that's very affordable. It's only $99.95 one time. There's no recurring payments. And this do-it-yourself credit plan is going to teach people how to remove collections, remove late payments, bankruptcies, charge-offs, judgments, things like that. How to boost your credit. They teach you how to add lines of credit to your credit, stuff like that. So it's a 10-module course. It comes out to be 26 videos total, and it's just a cheap and economical way to learn how to repair your own credit. Okay, once you learn the skill of credit repair, you can use this skill to make your own money by helping other people to repair their credit. With just $100 investment, guys, can show you how to fix your credit and to fix other people's credit. It's a skill that's going to be needed by everyone. Okay, there's a ton of people that need this. It's a document that over 68 million people in the United States of America have less than perfect credit. Another 80 million people have things that are on their credit that are not supposed to be there. People are paying outrageous interest rates, and people can't get approved for houses and cars because of their bad credit. So this is a service that's well needed by the masses, and you can capitalize off of it. You get dispute letters, like I said, you get videos, training, stuff like that. One-time payment of $100. Okay. If you join MyEcon, you can get all this for $35 a month if you're interested in, making money that way. But if you're just interested in credit repair, one-time payment of $100. Plain and simple. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys how I market the credit repair. I have a capture page attached to my sales page. Okay. So if they view my website and they don't purchase, I can follow up with them by email, texting, or by calling. Once they put their information in, it's going to take them to this page here. It's going to explain everything. If they don't immediately buy, I can send out emails every day, follow up with them, build a relationship, and connect with them. That's it. So that's it. I don't want to make this video too long, but if you're interested in repairing your credit, you may be like yesterday. I had a real estate agent to inbox me, and she wanted information about the credit repair. If you're a real estate agent or a car salesman, you can purchase this and you can offer this to your clients, and that will ensure that their credit will be increased and you will get the sale. So you get a sale both ways. It's the best of both worlds. It's a great investment. So if you're watching this right now, if you're interested in joining MyEcon, we offer tons and tons and tons and tons of value for only $35 a month. You can get paid, like I said, multiple ways. If you're watching this, if you want to increase your credit without building a team, then I advise you to purchase the credit repair system. All right, guys, I hope this information helped you all. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.